Hey everyone! So I was so excited when I got this last week. I wanted to do a look with it immediately, but I had too many things to do. So I got this green primer. I have a lot of red pigmentation in my skin, as you can see. I'm embarrassed about it because every time people see me, they're like, "Are you sick?" So I'm embarrassed to be seen without makeup. It was thick, but it still goes on kind of sheer, so I'm really not sure what good it does. And I got the light medium. Let's blend that out. So this is supposed to be a tinted moisturizer, and everyone was saying that it's got pretty good coverage, but I don't know. Yeah, I really don't think that coverage is so. Maybe it just looks too light on me. But the choices I had were light, medium, medium, dark, and I don't know. I could get away with it in the summer, but not in the winter. All right, that's the best I'm gonna get right now. Let's do the brows. I think I just need full coverage. I'm using the brow gel. Finalize, this one's green. Just want to let you guys know that the first time I washed these, one of them broke open and the little crystals came out. This was not worth the money, but I got it as a gift. So because of my green hair, I'm gonna go with my Lucky Charm. I'm gonna put this color as the transition color, and creme brulee because there's no highlight color in there. I think I'm gonna go with this black and gold color right here. This green is so pretty. It has a pink sparkle. I don't know if, you have to be all up in it to see it. I don't think it's picking up on the camera. There's no eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use my, and I got the Physicians Formula mascara, the butter mascara. I know I love the rose one. Let's see what this does. And I'm gonna put this gold color right here in the inner corners. Alright, I'll do the lipstick on camera because I think that's about it. And when I clean up, I'll do the incognito too. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. So, hey everyone. So, I'm going to use the incognito. Let's see how that works. As you can see, I got all this red. After I clean the makeup, put a little bit of liner. I have to say, I'm really not crazy about the mascara. I mean, I had to put like 4 coats just to get something decent out of it. And my dog's acting crazy. This. Smells good. I probably should be putting on lashes, but I really have to go out, and I don't want to be getting back too late. I got a late start today, so I gotta go out, and it takes me like half an hour to put lashes. And all the people, I see these girls on YouTube just blink, blink, it's all done. Not me, it takes me like half an hour. Yeah, this tinted moisturizer doesn't work for me. I need a full coverage, and that gives you a light to medium coverage. But this incognito did do the trick. I'm gonna take the contour, the lighter contour. Just gonna put that here. And
you don't want it.
Here.
You don't like it.
Wow.
You're doing just fine.
So yeah, again about the mascara, it went into my shadow. I feel like it ruined my shadow, but that's because I have deep set eyes, and it kind of, I don't know. I think I would need to use it with something else to. I had to use it like 4 times. It didn't work. I used the darker one for under here. I start in the middle, and then I go over. Ooh, that's dark. But I blend it out with the powder. Do this. I put it all the way up to here. I can't do it like other women do it. You gotta do what works for you. Alright, let me try and soften that. And I think today I'm gonna go with this, the orange, more orangey blush. And I'm gonna go with the Glow Off for the highlighter. Put a little bit of my green. There's a tiny bit in the inner corner. Just blend it all out with the powder. Are you kidding me? The spray don't work. I hate when it does this. It smells good though. Give it that much. Well, I'm gonna have to call Ulta and tell them it don't work. I line my lips. This is brandy wine from Wet n Wild.
We're wait. We're gonna fight.
And this is March to my Mallow. These do smell good.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. Okay, that was a little bit too fluffy. But anyway, so yeah, that is the finished look.